Goodwill Automation Private Limited, specialists in custom automation and special purpose machines. We are proud to introduce our latest innovation, the automatic rod Infeed Outfeed polish machine, an upgraded version of our original rod polish manual machine. This machine has been enhanced with a fully automated Infeed and Outfeed system, allowing for continuous and consistent rod polishing with minimal manual intervention. The upgraded design significantly improves productivity, reduces labor dependency, and increases the overall safety and efficiency of the process. Key features: automated Infeed system. The front of the machine is equipped with a high-capacity Infeed stacker capable of holding up to 100 rods of various lengths from 100 to 400 and diameters 6 to 14. The Infeed stacker is nylon-filled to prevent scratches and surface damage during loading. Outfeed system with gentle handling. At the rear, the machine uses a plastic gravity roller system and a nylon-packed Outfeed stacker. This ensures smooth handling of the finished rods, reduces exit speed, and prevents scratches during unloading. Polishing control. The collection of polished rods is synchronized with the polishing wheel speed, ensuring optimal finishing quality. Custom-built, cost-effective solutions. We develop each machine based on customer-specific requirements, delivering cost-effective automation tailored to meet your production needs. At Goodwill Automation, we specialize in providing smart automation solutions and developing special-purpose machine stems to solve complex industrial challenges. For more information, please feel free to contact us. Our contact details are provided below. Thank you for watching the video.